I'm going to do a little video here for the installation of my new furnace. You know, here's where the electrical come in. I moved the plug from here to here. The electrical is going to be going on this side of the furnace. So what you essentially have to do is you have these plugs here. Screw, wires go through, screw. You take this screw off. You take that one out. This whole junction box will then turn and flip to that side, so you don't have to try to run Romex, conduit, or anything special for running the electrical to the furnace here. If you stop and read directions, it'll make life a little bit easier on some of this stuff here. More videos to come.